Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. Today we're going to be creating this Dollar Tree faux acrylic calendar. Alright, so what you're going to need is an 11 by 14 frame, wood cubes, transfer letters, thumbtacks, and washi tape, which I don't show any washi tape below, but you're going to need washi tape for the lines, as well as a glue gun. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take the glass out of the frame and actually use this as our acting acrylic piece. Alright, so the outline that I wanted to use was just the first letter of the days of the week. What I'm doing here is just cutting out the letters of the days of the week. Alright, so here's the Dollar Tree washi tape, the black. I'm actually not going to use that. I'm actually going to use this skinnier washi tape because I like the look of it better. But you can use a Dollar Tree washi tape. Here I am lining these up about 1.5 inches apart. It's not going to be perfect. I'm just eyeballing it for right now. But I just want it to be about 1.5 inches apart. Right here I'm just cutting the excess washi tape on there. You can just bend it on the end of it and it'll pop off very easily. Okay, to adhere the letters onto the piece, all you have to do is pull off the back white strip and then pull off the clear strip once you get it on there. But make sure you press down onto the letter to make sure it transfers onto the piece. Alright, right here I made a mistake with the M. I didn't press it down hard enough. So make sure you're pressing these down hard enough. But what I'm going to do is go back and put another letter on top of that. I'm actually going to put another letter on top of all the letters because it makes the letters look more dark and black. I tried to scrape it off, but that was not working. So I'm just going to once again add another M on top of it, and actually going to make it look a whole lot better and darker so you can see it better. Alright, so what I'm doing here is adding another layer of the letters onto the glass piece. What I'm doing right here is I'm taking out the wood pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out 4 thumbtacks that have the silver bottoms, and I'm going to glue them to only 4 of the wood cubes. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to flip the piece over, and then you're going to start gluing those 4 cubes onto the corner of the glass piece. Once you have those glued, you're going to actually flip the thing back over to the front. And to hide the glue from seeing through the front, we're going to add 4 more glue wood cubes on top of the ones on the back. And here's your final look. I just want to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do try this DIY out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at CR8WKayla.